So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today for this video we have with us Devashish, who is the co-founder and CEO of Communicate. Now if you don't know what Communicate is, it is an all-in-one platform to automate customer supports using chatbot and live chat. To know more, you can head over to our website communicate.io. The link for the same is in the description box below. And now we have a list of few questions for Devashish, so without wasting any time, let's get it started. So, Devashish, tell us something about how you founded this company.
Okay. So Communicate is founded by others and me. And before starting Communicate, we had another venture, AppLogic, which was a chat-based APIs like chat APIs and SDK for the developers to integrate into their products. And while working on AppLogic, we ourselves did the customer support, work for it because it was a really technical product, and we needed the technical expertise on the customer support side. And we worked ourselves for quite some time, and we understood the challenges that the customer support agents face in their day-to-day work, from answering the repeated queries to it's a very high stressful job where you have to be replying like instantly to each and every queries. And so we saw all those challenges, we ourselves experienced it, and then we had the expertise on how to build a chat based product. And at the same time there was a lot happening in the market on the chatbot side. There were new libraries, new frameworks which are coming. There was a lot of advancement happening on the NLP side, and that triggered us to think about solving a problem for the customer support industry, making the support agents life easy using technology, NLP, and the chat. And that's how we started building a basic MVP version, which is a combination of like chatbot and human agents who are working together to automate the queries and reduce the customer support agents workload. So we launched the MVP beta version, and we really got a great traction from there. And that's how we started the company, and then we released the product, and we are getting good traction over there.
Very well. So the next thing we want to know about is the mission and vision.
We are on a mission to automate the customer support industry and let humans build more meaningful relationships. Humans are intelligent, creative species, and we want the humans to do the intelligent and the creative work, and let all the other repetitive, boring, mundane tasks to be handled by the chatbots.
Okay, so what were the challenges that you faced?
So in this space there are like many competitors, and there are different kind of products. Like one is email based, ticketing based softwares like Zendesk and others, and then there are live chat tools, and then there are NLP players like Dialogflow, Amazon Lex, and others. So the space is very crowded, where there are so many competitors, and there are players who are serving different needs of the people, like from phone number, like from phone call to email based ticketing system to live chat messaging based, and then chatbots. So the initial challenges we faced were to find our own niche, like what is our niche where we serve the market really well, and competing with all of these competitors and finding our own position in the market, our own space. So that was the initial challenges we faced, and very quickly we were able to figure out that there is a gap in the market where there are chatbots and then there are human agents, live chat going on, but then there was nothing which brings the best of both the things. Something that brings the best of human agents as well as the chatbots, because there are so many companies who are getting a lot of traction. They are reaching to millions of users, and it's literally not possible for support agents to serve that many million users. Like for any company to serve million users, they really need to have thousands of support agents who are working day and night. And that's where we found the gap, that we can automate like 80 to 90% of these queries, so that the companies doesn't need that many support agents. Support agents are not overloaded with so much of work. And along with that, it's important to manage the customer experience as well, because wherever there is only bots, it impacts the customer experience. That's why there is a need to bring the human agents also working alongside the chatbot, so that in case if the bot fails, the human agent is there to take care of the needs of the customer. So that was the initial challenge we faced in terms of positioning our product, finding our own niche, and then we found a way to bring human plus bot hybrid customer support, so that these challenges of how do we enter the market, what is the unique proposition that we bring for the customers. So that's how we solve the initial challenges. Other than that, there were challenges around capital, hiring, and all, which were kind of easy to easy to solve, as compared to finding your own position in the market.
Okay, so I know you probably get this one a lot, but are chatbots a threat to human agents?
Yeah, a good question arises from it is, if chatbots are going to do the work that support agents are doing right now, is it going to be a threat for the support agent's job? So we believe that it's not going to be a threat. It's more of a team where the human agents and bots are working together as a team, and they are complementing each other's skills. Chatbots can never replace human agents completely, because the way chatbots work and the way we human beings see things and work things is very different. Chatbots are more suited for things which are kind of repetitive, which are process driven, but things which are more where there is a need for a creativity, there's a need for a more personalized experience. That's where the human agents come into picture. So we believe they both are needed to work together as a team, and not something which is competing with each other.
Okay, very well. So guys, that is it for today, and thanks a lot to Devashish for joining us for this video. And you guys, hit that like button if you enjoyed watching, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.